guys, welcome back for another episode of Carmen Does. Don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe, leave me a comment, ring that bell so you'll be notified when I'm on here. And yeah, let's get the word out. Let's teach people about these TikTok tricks and stuff. So today is actually going to be about using the timer to control your song and getting it to play up to a certain time or something, and then also using filters as well, and using different filters and stuff, so as well as adding pictures and videos. So it's going to kind of be all together as one in that video, so maybe a little bit longer today, but stick around and I'm going to show you what's up. So let's go.
Somewhere far away, I want you
So you're going to click on the black plus button at the bottom, and then once you come in here, you're going to go ahead and hit add sound at the top. Then like I've put it on favorites.
I know you're somewhere out there.
We're do timers and filters. So I picked a song that I know that we want to set a timer to. Then you look over to the side.
I know you're somewhere out there.
So
somewhere
far away. You take that red bar and you're going to slide it
away.
over until we get to the point
Somewhere far
we want the
away.
song to actually stop playing, so that we can transition a look or go into an effect or
Somewhere
something
far
like
away.
that. So you see Will is working hard at
Somewhere far
where it needs
away.
to go. Getting annoyed, he looks like, but he'll get over it. He's working for me.
Somewhere far away. Somewhere far away.
Now, he forgot to put it on the 3-second timer, so it's going to count down from 10. We're going to show you here how to do it to the 3-second here in a moment. So the song's going to play.
I know you're somewhere out there. Somewhere
And
far
then
away.
where the timer is set to cut it off, bam, cuts off. Now from here we would add, like, I'll show you the effect that I was actually going to add on to, like I did on a previous video. So let me show you guys that. Hang on here. Alright, so you see that, and this one has different rules, so you're not hitting the actual main button at the bottom. That's where a lot of people are messing up with this filter, and it always flips to the other side. I don't know why, but we're gonna go back in here and do this again, and this time we're gonna pick the song, go to favorites, pick the
I know you're
song.
somewhere out.
Now when we go to the timer,
I know you're somewhere out there. Somewhere far away. Somewhere far away. Somewhere far away. Somewhere far away.
And we start the countdown, and
I know you're somewhere out there. Somewhere far away.
And then when it stops, now we bring it up. We're going to do the effect like we had just showed, and it gives the instructions right there. All right, so flip the camera, and I'm going to basically be taking pictures. Keep just tapping the screen every time I want a different look. I'll show you guys the finished one that I actually posted the other day on TikTok. After I show you the whole steps to getting there. And that's what it's gonna look
Know
like.
you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Over there, and then ding. Now you can also add a picture to the background, whatever that picture may be. I just added the last picture that I had here, and then you can also make yourself bigger or smaller. That way you can actually, see whatever in the background. You can also do the same with a video, which is how you do a green screen. Whenever you're doing a duet, there's different options. Just some of the fun things with filters and stuff. And you can add, if you push the same button that you actually picked to choose the background video, the same thing that you would use to turn it off. So voila, on and popping, guys. Thanks.
Somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ding that bell, and I can't wait to see you guys back for the next episode. Thanks, guys.